You guys, I was just thinking, I have this purple petal necklace that I made and I really like it, but I don't have anything to go with it. So I think tonight we're gonna make a purple petal bracelet together and maybe a pair of earrings too. I did this with some grass. I made a necklace and a bracelet and some earrings and they turned out really cool. So let's try it with these petals and see what happens. So we have our bracelet mold here and we have our earrings mold here. And I've already gone ahead and put petals in there, if you can see that. Okay, and I have our resin already mixed up. So you just have to be super careful when you do this. I like to try to sort of pull that away a little bit and then just start pouring. And then I'll turn it and do the same thing. Damn it. And I think I see I thought I saw a bubble, but I don't know. Now I'm not filling this up all the way. I know it might look like it, but I'm really not. Or if I am, I don't mean to, but I don't think I am. Okay, and so then the rest we'll just put, you know, a little bit in here. Okay. So now I gotta go get some of those purple petals to put in here. But I wanted to give it a little bit of time because I want this to be a little sticky when I put the flowers in there. Like, I want it to sit for a minute before I do, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'll be back here in just a second. So now we're gonna do the earrings. And Damn it. I am basically going to just cover this mold with the purple petals because I tried to do this a couple of days ago with the blue petals that I have. Oh shit. And it did not turn out well because I only put like 4 or 5 petals in there, you know, which is fine. But then I just, you know, walked away after I had them in there and had them set to where I wanted them to be. And when I came back to check on them, some of them had shifted, and so the pattern wasn't the same for both. And you know, I like things to be nice and neat, and that was not, and it pissed me off. So I was like, okay, well, you know, that's a lesson learned. And so this time I'm gonna do it a little bit different. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we've already put the resin in the bracelet and the earrings, and that has hardened up, and so now we do our final layer. I have our resin mixed up for us. So I'm gonna do the earrings first. Okay, and then I think that this bracelet already has, yeah, I think it's already got enough resin. So I'm just kind of going over it, but I don't really think it needs any more. I think that's going to be it for now. So we just have to wait and see, you know, how it comes out. All right, so when we come back, we will do the final reveal. Do you guys ever think about koalas and how we might be similar to them? Me either. But did you know that their fingerprints, yeah, they have fingerprints. Their fingerprints are so similar to a human's that in Australia, sometimes those little shits mess up the cop's crime scene because their fingerprints are so similar to a human's that it could make them think it was somebody else, but it's really just a koala fucking around. How about that? That's a weird one. Okay guys, moment of truth. Here we go. Big reveal. We're stuck to the paper. Off to a great start. Oh shit. Okay, here it is. Are you guys ready? Okay, I could tell already we're gonna have to sand some of this down. That's pretty. But you see that? So we got to fix that. And a little piece here. Oh. But we'll still just go through and sand those down. But that happened because I over poured. So if you just pay attention and don't be a ding dong like me, you won't have to worry about it. But I like it. I think it looks really pretty. Okay. Next are the earrings. Okay. Doink. Doink. That turned out pretty good, right? Okay, so the next thing we have to do is put the little earring hooks on there. So I'm gonna grab those and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got them. So we're gonna use gold today on these, which I don't normally like, but I think it goes together pretty well. Well, where's the hole? That's what he said. Well, you know what? I think the resin went over the hole like too much. Oh, fuck. Okay, so we'll mess with that one in a minute. This one worked. I usually would use my little tool, ow, because of that kind of shit, but I'm lazy and I don't want to get up and walk all the way across the room. Well, what is my problem? Why am I not getting it closed? There it goes. Okay. This one I'm gonna have to sand it down too, but I think that looks good. I think it looks beautiful. So that's gonna be it for our show today. I gotta get something to poke in there. Hold on, I'm gonna bring you up to me. Hey, I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for coming to the show. I really appreciate it. And I know we have some newcomers, so I want to say thank you to you as well. And special shout out to Chloe and Sabrina. I know you guys watch the show together, and I think that's super sweet. And Chloe, I am sorry, but I could not show you the ladies tonight. So yeah. Anyways, just, you know, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you.